Hey riders! Welcome to Auto Focus Review, your one-stop channel for exciting bike reviews. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most loved sport bikes, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This machine is a beast in the lightweight segment, offering power, performance, and style that every rider dreams of. So, if you're a fan of speed, style, and smooth rides, stick with us till the end because this bike has a lot to offer. Design and styling, aggressive and sporty look. Kawasaki has always been known for making aggressive-looking motorcycles, and the 2025 Ninja 400 is no exception. The sharp twin LED headlights, aerodynamic fairings, and race-inspired graphics make it look like a mini superbike. The redesigned fuel tank is sculpted to provide better grip for your knees, making it comfortable for long rides as well as aggressive cornering. And guess what? Kawasaki has introduced fresh color schemes for 2025 that will turn heads wherever you go. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the highways, this bike makes a bold statement. Engine and performance, power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Ninja 400 retains its legendary 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine but with refined tuning for improved performance and efficiency. This engine delivers an impressive 49 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its segment. What makes it even better? The improved fuel injection system ensures smoother throttle response and better mileage, making it a practical yet thrilling choice for Indian riders. Whether you're riding through city traffic or chasing open roads, the Ninja 400 delivers unmatched performance. Ride and handling, the perfect balance. One of the biggest reasons why riders love the Ninja 400 is its perfect balance of power and control. The lightweight trellis frame makes handling sharp and effortless, while the upgraded suspension ensures a comfortable and stable ride. The 41mm front telescopic forks and preload adjustable rear monoshock offer excellent shock absorption, making it perfect for Indian roads. And here's the best part, the low seat height of 785mm makes it accessible to riders of all heights. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, this bike gives you confidence on every turn. Braking and safety, confidence on every ride. A bike with such power needs excellent braking, and Kawasaki has nailed it with the 310mm front and 220mm rear disc brakes, combined with dual-channel ABS. This ensures strong and controlled braking, even in emergency situations. The slipper clutch is another game-changer. It prevents wheel lockup during aggressive downshifts, making your ride smoother and safer. Whether you're riding on highways or maneuvering through traffic, the Ninja 400 keeps you in control. Technology and features, modern and smart. The 2025 Ninja 400 comes with a brand new TFT digital instrument cluster, offering smartphone connectivity via Kawasaki's Radiology app. This means you can check notifications, GPS navigation, and even bike diagnostics right from your phone. The all-LED lighting setup not only looks stunning but also enhances visibility at night. And yes, the USB charging port is a handy addition for long rides, ensuring your phone never runs out of juice. Fuel efficiency and pricing, is it worth it? In India, fuel efficiency matters. The 2025 Ninja 400 offers an impressive 25 to 28 km/L mileage, making it one of the most fuel-efficient sport bikes in its class. With a 14-liter fuel tank, you can expect a decent range before your next fuel stop. Now, let's talk about pricing. While Kawasaki hasn't officially revealed the exact price, it is expected to be around Indian rupee 5.5-6 lakh, ex-showroom. Yes, it's an investment, but for the performance, features, and Kawasaki's legendary reliability, it's totally worth it. Final verdict, who should buy the Ninja 400? So, should you buy the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400? If you're looking for a bike that offers sporty looks, thrilling performance, modern features, and reliability, then this is the perfect choice for you. Whether you are upgrading from a smaller bike or stepping into the world of sport bikes, the Ninja 400 will never disappoint. Let us know in the comments what you think about this beast. Would you love to own one? Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autofocus Review for more exciting bike content. See you in the next video. Ride safe and stay awesome.